Okay, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how I just repair dreadlocks. This is the razor I use. It's kind of to not hurt my clients and pull their hair. I cut just lightly, just to break apart the hair. This is where it doesn't hurt your client as much. I definitely recommend it. And it's also very clean in order for you to get your part. So I always cut going down unless it's something thick. I cut at the top first and then going down. Always make sure you find your part first. See, I got my part and I'm going to cut through because that was 3 dreads connected in one, if you've seen that. There we go. And I got my dread. And this dread has another little dread that's attached to it, but it's very thin. Very thin. So since it's thin, I'm going to cut that. And I always keep the thicker one. So this is my dreadlock crochet needle. How I cut that extra dread off, I'm going to take the extra hair just to make sure it looks full and looks like an actual one dread. I'm going to just tuck it in, pull it through in a crochet method. And there you go. You can barely even tell that I cut that dread off. And I use Murray's Edge Wax. If you want to know what I'm using, I will put in the description down below. Thanks. And I do not use a comb. I have long nails, so I just kind of comb through because he has so much new growth. And I just twist that extra new growth around very tightly. And I get all of that extra hair from the new growth that I wrapped around. Then I get a little bit more edge wax just to make sure that it's solid all the way around the entire dread because he has so much new growth. And look at that, beautiful. Looks great. And then the root. I always do this, especially for someone that is active, and he is an active person. He works a lot in a warehouse, so this is something great for him. So it just stays tight and it lasts longer. And normally I don't use a lot of products, but for his hair, he had a lot of new growth. It was very tangled. But that